Fender 110 D350 X Dynamic HSE, 26 registration. It has done 31 miles from new. And I don't know which part of this car is the best bit because everything about it is special. It's a 7-seater, delivery mileage, D350 X Dynamic HSE. It's also VAT qualifying. It's then been fully exterior styled, pod lights, canards, wide arches, upgraded 22s. From factory, it's obviously got the 7-seat family pack. It's then got air suspension, deployable Towbar. Then we get onto the colour combination, Woolstone Green with Caraway leather interior. So this is a fantastic vehicle. Highest powered diesel engine, highest model, and it's then been exterior style, but it's been done properly, highest standard. Upgraded DRLs, canards, wide arches, bonnet inserts. The colour alone is a massive selling point because people love this colour, but then you partner that with a Caraway interior, and it's a 7-seater, and everything else that we're going to mention, this car will sell instantly. So if you're interested, don't wait a couple of days to ring because it won't be here when you call. Air suspension, 22-inch wheels, finished in gloss black. So this car is a head turner from the exterior. It's then got the interior, which I would always choose if I had the option, which is Caraway leather. So have a look at that. Sliding sunroof, which you'll see up above, but I'll show you more from the driver's point of view as well. But this is brand new. It has done 31 miles. So it's in the exact same condition. It comes with the exact same benefits it would have done when it was brand new as far as warranty and roadside assistance. Rear spoiler, 7 seats. Now a Defender 110 is a big car, but there's actually very few 7-seaters out there. So 7-seat option, there's the seats, air suspension, electric Towbar, and to put the seats down just takes seconds. So it's one pull of a handle, one pull of the other, and then you just slide it down. So if you don't have a use for the 7 seats every day, no problem, you've got a very spacious 110. Deployable Towbar, as you'd expect, is brand new. But then if you are the sort of family who maybe have a caravan, a horse box, a trailer of some sort, well, that is the way to tow because it takes seconds to deploy it, seconds to put it away, and you're also saving yourself about £3,500 what you'd have to pay to go and get one from Land Rover. But on the topic of getting one from Land Rover, you can't get a Defender that looks like this from your local Land Rover dealership. So if you want one, here it is. Electric memory setting seats, but they're also heated and ventilated. You've got upgraded Meridian surround instead of just standard Meridian. Dark cross beam. Those of you who don't know what that is, it basically removes any of the lighter plastics from the interior. They're all darker. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise. Biggest infotainment screen they've installed, so that's now on the latest 26 model year, which contains your navigation, media, telephone, your camera systems. There's even a towing specific mode as well. Air suspension control from the front and from the back. So we usually talk about lowering the car because people like the way that it looks, but it also handles and drives better, far smoother. But then obviously if you are someone who maybe does go to the odd rural area, you need a bit of a height increase, more clearance, then you've got that option as well. Heated seats and cooled seats, instead of just heated seats as standard. Sliding sunroof. So the car just has everything. Colour combination, specification, mileage. It's also VAT qualifying, which may appeal to some of you out there. So it's just got everything, hasn't it? Just got absolutely everything. So it's brand new in mileage, colour combination, specification, everything about this car is special. It's been priced live to sell right now. So if you're interested in buying it, like I said at the start of the video, don't wait a couple of days to call because it simply won't be here. So give me a call on my mobile number. Any questions about how you buy it, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.